Do I look?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay. How do you want to start?
Let's start with the word of the day.
Right. Okay. Word of the day. The word of the day is attribute. The word of the day is attribute, and it also can be pronounced attribute. And it's a noun when you say attribute, and it means a characteristic or quality of. It is a characteristic of or an attribute of a strong student to work hard and turn in their work every day. Attribute is the verb form, and it means to credit something to. If I said I attribute my success to just sticking with it and working hard, that's how you use it in a sentence. Is that?
That's perfect.
Which camera?
This one right here.
Okay.
You want to start with the athletics?
Yeah. Golf is on the road today for their first tournament at Shenandoah Valley Country Club.
Is that all?
No. All football players, varsity and JV, need to meet in the studio after school today for a very important meeting.
Is that it?
I think so.
You want me to sit here?
Yeah, that's great.
Am I in the shop?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. I'm just going to go on ahead and say it. There's a lot I have to say today. If you plan on taking the very first SATs on August 22nd, today's the last day to sign up. You need to go on collegeboard.org and sign up. Make sure when you come, you bring your Chromebook and an ID. I think I need a break. I'm so sorry. I think I need a break.
Okay, take it along.
Oh,
Is it okay if I put this?
Sure.
All right, okay. We'll just. Oh,
You guys have everything you need?
I think so. That's good.
Well,
You ready?
Let me frame the shot.
You got this. This is hard. Okay. The truth is, there are some birthdays today. Braden Burkhart, Henry Lopez, Campbell Mapp, Dylan Skinner. I don't. You got to take it.
Zeleda Vasquez.
Bonjour, salut. Je commence ici. Je suis un peu nerveuse. Je suis désolée. Ok. Je parle pas français. Je veux continuer avec ce que je veux dire. La plus importante annonce. Le déjeuner aujourd'hui, c'est le burrito avec des haricots et du fromage, ou la pizza, les petits pois ou les frites, les fruits ou les jus.
oh my gosh. Okay. All right. I guess. Where do I look?
Right here.
All right.
Why don't you just wish students well?
Blue Devils, I just want to wish you the very best first day of school ever. And that starts now.